This is the fifth video on the work for energy. We are going to discuss about some applications. So this is application 1. Here a body of mass m and a density d1 lies in a non-viscous liquid of density d2. Density of mass is d1, density of liquid is d2. So the minimum force or minimum work done to lift the body with a uniform velocity through a height h in the liquid is given by W is equal to mgh or 1 minus d2 by d1. W is equal to work done is equal to mgh into 1 minus d2 by d1. So how this equation derived? So that we have to know first. Suppose here this is the liquid and here is the body already synced and its weight is mg and mass is m and having a density d1 and as a liquid this one a upward force will act on the liquid on the body by the liquid upward force. This is also called buoyancy. By U or B we can express it, and from here to here that is height. So body has to lift to this height, then what is the minimum force required? Because the upward force is given. And consider here as density of body d1 is greater than density of liquid d2 because it's synced, that's why. Therefore upthrust is not equal to the weight of body or weight of the object. So since the minimum work done we need to take the minimum force required to lift the object. Since upthrust is not equal to weight of the body because weight is more than the upthrust, as the density of body d1 is greater than d2 density of the liquid. So since minimum work done we need to the minimum work done we need to take the minimum force required. That means the minimum work done we need to take. So the minimum force required is lift the object is given by the form object is given by equation F is equal to mg minus u, where mg is the weight of the body and u is the upthrust. Mg is weight of body and u is equal to upthrust. Both are acting in opposite direction. So as for example here I am telling, as mg is equal to 5 kg and upthrust is equal to 3 kg. Therefore, force required, force is equal to 5 kg minus 3 kg is equal to 2 kg. So, by applying by applying 2 kg force we can lift the body of 5 kg. Therefore, F is equal to mg minus u. But work done is equal to force into displacement or force into height, whereas S is equal to height displacement here. Therefore, we can write F dot H is equal to mg minus u H, or F dot H, force into displacement, is work done is equal to mg minus u H. Now we have to remove the u, that is upthrust from the equation, from the equation. Let us take this equation number 1. From the equation 1, so write it in the form of volume and density. Now V is the volume of object and U is the upthrust force that is equal to mass of liquid into gravity. Mass of liquid into gravity. Therefore, mass of liquid is equal to volume of liquid into density of liquid. Therefore, U is equal to mass of liquid into gravity. Therefore, U is equal to volume into density of liquid into gravity, or U is equal to V d2 G, and this is taken as equation number 2. And mg is equal to V d1 G. Let this be the equation number 3. Now divide equation 2 by 3. So therefore U is equal to V d2 G and divided by mg is equal to V d1 G. So here we cancel this V and V and G and G. Therefore, U by mg is equal to d2 by d1. Okay. So on dividing equation 2 by 3, we get U by mg is equal to d2 by d1. Therefore, U is equal to mg d2 by d1. and this is the equation number 4. And now substitute equation 4 in equation 1, whereas equation 1 is equal to W is equal to work done is equal to mg minus uh. So therefore work done is equal to mg minus mg d2 by d1. H. Therefore, work done is equal to, taking mg common, 1 minus d2 by d1 into h, or work done is equal to mgh 1 minus d2 by d1. Thus, this is verified. This is the equation.